Hi, welcome to TeluguOnefood. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira, and today we are going to make tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is a very basic sauce that you can use for your pasta or your pizza. So let's get started. For the sauce, we need tomato, which we need to make a cross mark at the back and remove the eye in the front so that it becomes easy for us to peel it. Apart from this, we need some garlic, which is around 100 grams, and we have here roughly cut onions and roughly cut carrots, which is around 50 grams each, and seasoning, salt and pepper. So for the sauce, we have the water boiling already ready here. So we'll start putting the tomatoes in the boiling water. So you need to wait around 10 to 15 seconds so that the tomato skin comes out and you can peel it off. Meanwhile, keep the ice water ready. So now our tomatoes are done. So we'll start removing it and we will put it in the ice water. The cooking process stops and it is easier for us to peel the tomatoes. So our tomatoes are soaked in the ice water. Now see how easy it is for us to peel it. So you just take it from this end and you remove the skin. So once the tomatoes are peeled, it will look like this. So we'll just roughly cut the tomatoes. And now we'll put it in the blender and blend it. Okay, so now we'll blend the tomato into a coarse paste, and then we can use it for further cooking. So for the sauce, we'll heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Now we add the roughly cut onions and carrots into it and half tablespoon of garlic. Now need to saute this vegetables till it is fragrant or it releases aroma. Now we add the chopped tomatoes. Now mix it well and keep it on a medium-low flame for around 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, our tomatoes are now ready and it has become very thick like a jam. We need to maintain this consistency. Now we will season it with little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. Now we'll blend the sauce. It depends. If you like chunky, you can keep it little bit of chunks, or you can blend into a smooth puree. Our final tomato sauce is ready. You can use this to make spicy tomato sauce, pasta sauce, or you can also use it to make your stews.